Okay, welcome back everybody. In case you missed the first live video that I did about an hour ago, we are making Birria tacos to celebrate Cinco de Mayo. This is our Cinco de Mayo special here on Blackstone Cooking. And we did a lot of the prep work and stuff like that in the last episode. And so if you want to go check that out in case you missed it, it is posted. It is not only on my YouTube channel, but it is also on the Facebook group. You can go see it and see the process so far. This next step is actually the easiest step of the whole process. So this will not be a very long video, but I do want to show everybody where we are right now. So this has been cooking for about an hour now. So you can see you've got that meat getting nice and brown and tender. It's gonna fall apart. Spice bag is there, and then we have our chilies in there. Hey Todd, I see you're watching. So what we're going to do now is we are going to pull out our chilies and we're going to blend them. This is why it is very important that we count how many chilies we started with. So if you recall, if you watched the first part, we had 2 of these little bitty ones. That's the ones I was worried about being able to find. Look, I found one right away. And then we had 5 of these larger chilies. So I need to go search around and find all of these. Well, 5. I'm sorry, we have 10 of the larger chilies because we have 5 of each kind in here. And I'm not even going to attempt to go back and look up what were the kind of chilies because I know I butchered their name the first time. So if you're interested in what kind of chilies, I recommend you either look in the recipe in the description of the first video or go back and just watch the first video. And you can hear my really bad attempt at pronouncing the name of these chilies. So let's see, just making sure I've got them all. We're almost there. I think the meat is sitting on top of some of them. And I've got that really big hunk of, shoulder roast in there. I got to move that out of the way. There's the other little one. I found it. Found it. And there's another big one. This meat is very difficult to see in, so it is a bit of a challenge to make sure we have them all. But I think that's pretty close to all of them. Okay, so I'm going to say we probably have about all of them. Now, the next thing is we're going to take a little bit of the stock liquid, okay, and we're just going to put that right in here with it. That's going to help with the blending. And then we're just going to put this right here on our blender. And we're going to get this pureed. apologize for the noise, those of you who are watching. Hey Jeff, thank you. Appreciate the comment. It's gonna look even more delicious in the next step. Okay, so we have pureed our mixture here. Let me see if I can move you over here to the pot. So we're going to just pour this right back in here. You got that nice bright red chili pepper color in there. Okay, so now we need to turn the heat back up on this because we want to get it back up to simmering. And we're just going to cover this right back up. And that stuff is going to simmer, hi Justine, that stuff is going to simmer for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, okay? So at that point in time, we'll be able to pull the meat out and shred it up and do all that stuff. But I don't know if it'll be right before that or right after I do the meat. I'm going to make the tortillas. So it is a little after 1:30 here. So I would say at a minimum, you could expect 3:30 is probably when I'll come back, okay? So if you want to tune in and see part 3, which will be the next big part, because we'll be doing a lot of making tortillas and shredding the meat up and everything like that. I don't know if I'll have to go out for part 4 before I make the actual tacos, but I might, okay? It is not a Where's Waldo Cinco de Mayo shirt, Jeff. I said in part 1, you probably missed it, that some buddies of mine started a shirt company, and this is one of their shirts that they made. It's actually, it's a fairly new company. They're only a couple months old. They're called 7 Strong brand, and this is their Cinco de Mayo shirt. So if you just Google or look up 7 Strong brand online, you can go find this shirt right now, and you can get it for yourself if you want. It's a really nice feeling shirt, breathable. So, all right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in a couple of hours. See you later, Jeff.